Guys, hello guys.
Oh, 1 more minute.
Hello guys. It's 11:59 p.m. right now. It's nighttime. Fire is going to happen any night, any moment.
See if you can see that.
Those are pull-up lights that happen there.
And then look at that mountain with the sunlight.
That's Las
Uncle's
Vegas.
light.
No, that's Las Vegas.
And then Uncle's light there.
Duh. Hey, what time is it?
11:59. But look, we should go up. Yeah. You see those red stuff going up? Those are the fire.
Oh, the Wubba! There, I see them. You want to?
Yeah. See, yeah. They are small, but they're everywhere, right?
Oh, I just saw some flashing.
Yeah. Oh, one of them you can hear. Oh, this is Albert. It's the Roadrunner road that we can hear. Somebody's house right there. You see?
Yeah.
No, Roadrunner. Look. Look. That one. See? That one. Do you saw? See? But these are not really big, but the hotel usually does bigger ones.
Let's go, baby.
That's fine.
Okay, that's all. Thank
So
God.
cold.
Thank you so much. We just started that New Year, so see you on next New Year or 4th of July. Goodbye.